I've never seen the demand for precious metals even remotely close to what I'm seeing right now, ever in 34 years. Not even close, not by a million miles. And I will stick to what I've been saying on your show for the past 2 years. This market will define itself by the inability to source product when the music stops.
Welcome to Silver News Daily, your ultimate destination for all things precious metals. If you're passionate about the glimmer of silver and the world of precious metals, you're in the right place. By hitting that magical subscribe button, you're joining a community of like-minded thinkers who see the potential of silver and precious metals shaping the future. Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the latest news and updates. Good evening, esteemed investors and financial enthusiasts. Tonight, we embark on a journey through the shimmering world of silver, unraveling why this precious metal might just be on the brink of an extraordinary bull run. As we navigate through economic tides, it's essential to recognize moments ripe with opportunity. And this, dear listeners, could very well be silver's golden hour. Let's set the stage. Silver, often in the shadow of its more illustrious cousin gold, is making headlines for reasons that demand our attention. The metal has recently shown a tenacity to rebound, climbing from a low near $22.40, illustrating its resilience and hinting at an underlying strength that's more than just a fleeting market whim. As we speak, anticipation is building ahead of the Federal Reserve's rate decision, a momentous occasion that often sways the fate of precious metals. This time, however, there's a twist in the tale. The Federal Open Market Committee is expected to hold rates at 5.5%, a pause that might just be the lifeline silver needs to break free from the shackles of bearish trends. Why is this significant? Interest rates and precious metals have a storied relationship, often inversely correlated. A holding rate hikes could be the signal silver has been waiting for, an opportunity to shine brighter than it has in recent times. In this first chapter of our story, we're not just looking at numbers and predictions. We're setting the groundwork to understand why silver, often undervalued and overlooked, might be gearing up for a spotlight it rightfully deserves. As we delve deeper into the story of silver, we find ourselves amidst changing winds that could signal a paradigm shift for this versatile metal. The second act of our narrative revolves around technical indicators and market sentiment, both aligning to script a potential bull run for silver. Let's consider the technicals first. Silver's recent rebound is not a solitary leap, but a calculated move supported by indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and ACD. Both are flashing signs of upside momentum, suggesting that silver isn't just reacting spontaneously, but is laying the groundwork for a sustained upward journey. But technicals alone don't make a market. Sentiment plays a pivotal role, and here the mood is cautiously optimistic. Commodities, including precious metals, are recovering ahead of the Federal Reserve's rate call. This recovery isn't a mere blip, it's a reflection of a broader change in attitude towards risk assets. And silver, with its dual identity as both an industrial metal and a precious one, stands to benefit significantly from this shift. Moreover, the potential for silver to break out of a descending trend line, moving from recent lows to challenge higher resistance levels, adds an exciting chapter to our story. Imagine silver, long seen as trailing behind, now poised to break free and claim new heights. This isn't just a story of recovery, it's a narrative of transformation. In this section, we've seen how technical indicators and market sentiment are converging to paint a bullish picture for silver. It's a tale of changing perceptions and emerging opportunities, setting the stage for what could be a remarkable leap for this often underestimated metal. In our ongoing tale of silver's potential bull run, we now turn to the broader economic landscape, a stage where intricate plots unfold and unforeseen events can alter the course of our story. Amid these complex crosswinds, we find compelling reasons why silver could be on the cusp of a significant rally. The Federal Reserve's rate call looms large over the narrative. Interest rates, the lifeblood of financial markets, have a profound impact on precious metals. As the Fed decides to hold rates steady, witness a ripple effect. The decision not to hike rates further acts like a beacon, guiding risk assets towards calmer waters. For silver, this creates an environment ripe for growth as investors start to view it not just as a safe haven, but as a vessel for potential gains. But there's more to this tale than central bank policies. The silver market is extraordinarily sensitive to the US dollar. Traditionally, a strong dollar dampens silver's shine. However, in our story, even this relationship is undergoing a twist. Silver is defying conventions, showing resilience even in the face of a robust dollar. This divergence hints at an underlying strength and character trait of silver that could propel it towards the $24 mark and beyond. Let's not forget the role of geopolitical factors. Though recent cooling in global tensions has placed some pressure on silver, history teaches us that this metal thrives in times of uncertainty. Any resurgence of geopolitical concerns could act as a catalyst, propelling silver to new heights. Before we move on to the next chapter in our story, a reminder: if you're captivated by the unfolding saga of silver and wish to stay updated on every twist and turn, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel Silver News Daily. Keep abreast of all the latest developments in the silver market and join a community of like-minded enthusiasts. In this chapter of our silver saga, we delve into the realm of technical analysis, a land where charts and patterns reveal hidden truths and guide our understanding of where silver might journey next. The recent technical landscape for silver presents a canvas of opportunity. After facing a challenging period, silver is exhibiting signs of a bullish turnaround. This is not mere speculation, but a conclusion drawn from careful examination of technical indicators. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, two trusted guides in the world of trading, both signal upward momentum for silver. These indicators whisper of room for growth, of uncharted territories that silver is yet to explore. In our tale, the $24 mark emerges as a significant milestone. This level is not just a number, it represents a formidable resistance point, a dragon that silver must slay to continue its ascent. Breaking above this level could open the doors to an adventurous journey towards $26 and beyond. But our story is not without its suspense. Should silver face renewed selling pressure, it might have to revisit and defend territories it previously conquered, particularly the recent lows near $22.30. As we navigate these technical landscapes, remember that each line on the chart and every shift in an indicator is a sentence in the story of silver. It's a tale that unfolds in real time, and to stay on top of this thrilling narrative, don't hesitate to subscribe to Silver News Daily on YouTube. Be the first to witness each twist and turn in silver's journey. As we reach the concluding chapter of our silver narrative, it's time to cast our gaze towards the horizon to envisage the potential future that awaits this precious metal. The signs we gathered, from economic indicators to geopolitical tensions and from market sentiment to technical analysis, all seem to converge on one pivotal point: the likelihood of a significant bull run for silver. This amalgamation of factors paints a picture where silver, currently in a phase of recovery and bullish trends, might just be at the cusp of a major breakthrough. But as with any story that involves the future, uncertainty is an ever-present character. While the indicators and analyses we discuss provide compelling reasons to believe in silver's potential rise, the markets are realms of unpredictability, influenced by a myriad of factors, some of which are beyond prediction or control. As we close this chapter, it's crucial to remember that the content shared here, as enlightening and intriguing as it may be, is just that: information and news. It is not, and should not be taken as, investment advice. Every investment decision should be made with due diligence, and often, consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance tailored to individual circumstances and goals. For those who have journeyed with us through this exploration of silver's potential, we extend our gratitude. If you found value in our narrative and wish to continue being part of this ongoing story, we invite you to subscribe to Silver News Daily on YouTube. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember, the story of silver, like all great stories, is one that continually unfolds.